Hey, what's up everybody? And in today's video we'll be making fluffy slime. This is a very easy recipe that anybody can make at home. And in today's video all we'll be needing would be some glue, our activator. All this is a cup of water and a teaspoon of borax, some food coloring, some water, and some shaving foam. Alright, let's get into it. So what we'll get a big bowl. We'll put a cup of glue in. We'll throw a cup of water in. We'll just give this a quick mix until it's combined. Our shaving foam, we'll put in heaps of shaving foam today. We want to make it nice and extra fluffy. Let's give this a mix up. Okay, now that we've got all this combined, it's time to add our activator. When you add your activator, it's best just to add little bits at a time. I'll start off with 2 teaspoons. And slowly a slime forming, lumps coming together. I'll add 2 more teaspoons. Oh yeah, it's coming together quite nicely. Once it starts pulling away from the bowl, it's almost time to pull out and start kneading with your hands. Oh my gosh. Oh. Now that we've kneaded out our fluffy slime, it's time to add some colour. Today we're going to add some blue, mix it around and make some blue fluffy slime. Only add a couple of drops, don't add too much. Oops. Alright guys, there we have some blue fluffy slime. Easy, quick to make, very simple ingredients you can find anywhere at any local shop.
We're all laying home. It's like it bears on there and sinking down.
There you go, blue fluffy slime. If you do like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.